Hi, Ellie here, and today I'm going to be cooking a pepperoni pizza in the Ooni Koda 16, and here are all my ingredients. And I am going to be adding some white onion on there as well, and it's 20 degrees centigrade and it's a bit breezy. Let's do it. Okay, I've made the pizza and the oven is at 420-ish Celsius in the center, which is perfect. The oven is on full flame, and I'm going to put this in. It's a real-time cook. Done. Let's get this onto the wooden board. All the oil is dripping everywhere, so I'm going to give that bit a try. I can get my hands on mild pepperoni and spicy. This is the mild. I really like both, but this one's really nice as well if you don't fancy the spicy pepperoni. So that's the crust. I think it was a quick cook. Can't tell when I'm cooking, but I'll look back on the footage and see if it was. Oh my gosh, it's a wasp. Oh, he's gone. He didn't like my pizza. Oh, he's come back to get his friends. Oh no. But the base cooked really well, and the oil is coming off this. That looks really nice. I'm going to give that a try. I think the crust cooked really well. So the dough was good. It was a 250 gram dough ball. I put it straight into the fridge after I made it in the bread maker, and I brought it out to proof at room temperature today. It's had a bit of room, it's had a bit of fridge, and I think it does make a difference. And the dough was warm because I had it in a very warm room, and it's a warm day, 20 degrees Celsius, so my dough is nice and warm. And that wasp has just come back and stolen some of my food. So he doesn't like my pizza, he likes my pepperoni. He's in the pepperoni pot. He doesn't want this, he wants that. Hey, I'm offended. This is tasty. It was a fast cook, very nice, but it's soft dough. So if you want a crustier dough and a crispier dough, my advice is to keep turning it so the crust browns up a bit more, so you get a crispier dough without burning. But if you like it soft, that's the way to do it. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like this channel, and smash the like button if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.